Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Nur Shahira binti Muhammad Yusuf, your host for today's interview session. Today, we are going to have an interview session for the vacancy of accounts assistant. The vacancy is for a candidate who is self-motivated, dynamic, and result-oriented with pleasing personalities. Requirement for this job includes the candidate to be fully qualified in AAT or partly qualified CIMA or ACCA or ICAS, age between 20 to 25 years old, with a very good command of English, communication skills are essentials, and computer literacy are compulsory. Any work experience in accounts will be an added advantage. For this interview, we have 3 interviewers. Interviewer A is Miss Ain, Interviewer B is Miss Nazlia, and Interviewer C is Miss Maslina. We also have 3 candidates whose name is Yip Kaiwan, who is candidate A, Nur Rahayu Izaima binti Abdul Bizam, who is candidate B, and candidate C is Nur Iza Atira binti Iswan. Let us start our today's interview session with the first candidate.
Hi, my name is Sain Emilia Sheila Betisarudin and I'm from Human Resource Department.
Okay, hi, my name is Nazlia Sohaida binti Izahan, the head of accounting department. Including this year, I have 4 years experience in this department.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Maslina binti Muhammad. I am an account assistant at this company. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you too.
First, tell me about yourself. We start with candidate A, after that candidate B and candidate C.
Good afternoon to the host and interviewers. I'm Yip Kaiwan. You can call me Yip. I'm 24 years old this year and accounting fresh graduate from University Malaysia Terengganu, UMT. And I'm here today for the accountant assistant interview.
Assalamualaikum and good afternoon to the hosts and interviewers. Let me start by thanking you for this wonderful opportunity. My name is Nur Rahayu Izaima. I am from Kemaman, Terengganu and have completed my Bachelor of Accounting degree in 2020 from University Malaysia Terengganu. I am a fresh graduate. That is a brief introduction from my end.
Hello, good afternoon to the host and to the interviewers. My name is Nur Iza Atira binti Iswan and I am 25 years old and an accounting fresh graduate from University Malaysia Terengganu. I am here for the account assistant interview that is offered here.
Thank you for the self-introduction. Nowadays, there are many company and industry which offer a job like an account assistant. So, what's made you want to apply for a job with this company?
First of all, I already had my eyes on this company since my 3rd year when I heard about this company from someone that I know. And they said that this company is good to gain more working experience in accounting field. I also noticed that you are seeking somebody who is truly passionate about the future of your company goals. I would love to contribute to this company's success.
Answering to that question, I choose to apply for this position because I'm extremely interested in the account assistant job. I like to do work that requires a lot of meticulousness. I will also try to complete the work on time because I have mastered all enter type of account into the system.
For me, the main purpose that I apply for this job is to gain working experience. As mentioned earlier, I'm just freshly graduated from UMT. I have passed a few papers for ACCA, but I haven't got the MIA membership yet. So I have to work in the related industry for 3 years to get the MIA membership. And apart from this, the location of your company is actually quite near to my house, so it is very convenient for me to come to work every day.
Very good explanation. Thank you, all of you.
May I know what is your weakness are?
To be honest, I'm actually a very careful person. I would always double check my work. But in this case, it might lead to the delay of work sometimes during university back then. But I promise, I will try my best to do it in time for every task I receive while doing this job.
This is a critical question for me. I'm glad that you're asking these questions. Answering your questions, What I see in myself is that when I start concentrating on a task, I find it difficult to stop. My weakness is in terms of when a job is given to me, I will focus on that one job until it is complete and perfect.
As for me, I can be a little bit intense and serious in the workplace, but I am currently working on tuning it back and use my sense of humor when it is appropriate. I am also working on my confidence. I tend to have anxiety when it comes to public speaking and presentation, but recently I have been joining public speaking group to help me to boost my confidence.
Okay, since we can only choose one candidate only, can you tell and convince us why should we hire you? We start with candidate B first.
If you hire me, it is the best platform for me to show my abilities, whatever my goals and dreams. I will try my best to achieve them in the near future. As a fresh graduate, I am also interested in making this company an institution for me to learn new things. I also want to improve my professional progress and promise a brighter and more secure future.
As you can see in my resume, I have all the hard skills that you are looking for in a candidate. I am confident that I am qualified for this position as I have all the skills that you acquire, which is very good command in English and computer literacy. I know how to do basic needs that are required in the accounting. I also have the ideas that will help this company to reach its short-term goals, and I would like the opportunity to share them with the team. I also noticed that self-management is required in this job. That's a core strength of mine, and I have been able to develop it throughout all my previous roles.
First of all, I am qualified to this position as I have the skills that you need, which is the communication skills and computer literacy. Other than that, I am a very careful and responsible person. As mentioned earlier, I would always double check my work before submission to prevent mistakes. And apart from this, I'm not sure whether you'll accept or not, I have a little advantage on languages. I can speak Malay, English, Mandarin, Hokkien, and also Cantonese. Perhaps it might be helpful in the future when we communicate with customers.
Okay, so my next question will be, as an account assistant, what are your salary requirements? We start again with candidate B first.
I really need more information about the position before I can begin to discuss about the salary. I'm more interested in finding a position that is good fit for my skills and interests. I'm confident that you are offering a salary that is competitive in the current market. I love to learn about the job. I don't care about the salary because as a fresh graduate, I just want to study and will provide the best service for this company. That's all.
That's a great answer. We'll continue with candidate A, then lastly candidate C.
I've done the research and I know the average salary for this position is in the range between 1,800 to 2,500. To be honest, my expected salary is 2,300. I know that you all might think it's a bit high, but I want to say that I am qualified to this job. And I have the experience to back it up as I have the 6-month internship in one of the big 4 companies before. In addition, the cost of living in the city is high. So I'm so sorry to say that I couldn't accept any job if the salary is under 2,300. Thank you.
I do not have any set numbers in my mind, but I do want to be fairly compensated. I will be happy to negotiate as I learn more. To be honest, I expected my salary to be 2,500 ringgit. From my research, the average salary for this position can be ranged from 2,000 to 2,900 ringgit. We can negotiate a fair deal based on my experience where I have done my 6 months of internship in a renowned accounting firm.
My experience working in the field of accounting, a lot of work to be completed. How do you feel about working weekend or late hours?
For me, I think I'm okay with it as long as we get paid for the overtime working hours. but I also hope that it is optional for the employee if they have emergency cases.
My schedule is flexible enough, so I'm open to working as hard as I can. I know that this job sometimes requires overtime to get the work done within the allotted time, so I'm willing to work as much as you need at the time. Still, I also value a healthy work-life balance, so I wish every Friday or Saturday a holiday if possible for me.
I am okay with both as long as I get paid for working overtime hours.
We proceed to our last question for the interview session today. As an account assistant, we should have knowledge about accounting software. So, what type of accounting software program are you familiar with?
I am familiar with the UBS accounting software. I am also familiar with the Million accounting software as I have used it before in my internship year.
While studying, I did industrial training at an audit firm. I work in the accounting department where I am skilled to enter all type of account into the system, and I am also skilled in using two systems, namely UBS accounting software and SQL financing accounting. I am a fresh graduate. I have not worked in any company so far, and I am here to apply for a position as accounts assistant.
I used Sage UBS accounting software before to complete my assignment, and I have joined a program on how to operate an accounting software called Salihin Premier Solution. So I'm quite familiar with these two types.
Very clear. Thank you for the great answer. Before we are ending our interview session today, anyone have any question to ask?
Yep, I have a question. I wanted to ask Miss Maslina regarding what are the biggest challenges that someone in this position would face.
Thank you for the great question, Candidate A. Based on my experience as an account assistant, I am facing a lot of problems and challenges in my career. First, the biggest challenges is pressure to perform, especially when I started working in this position. This is because we are under pressure to achieve good achievement. Other than that, we also had to work overtime to finish our multiply tasks because we have a deadline for each project. Besides that, another challenge is pure teamwork. This is because employees may lose their focus collaboration when they spend a lot of time to completing their individual tasks. Therefore, team building project can help anyone learn how to work together. It is clear, Candidate A? Do you have another question?
I'm clear. No question, miss. Thank you.
I have one question for Miss Nazlia. Does this job role has opportunities for advancement or professional development?
Thank you for your question. For the opportunity is the growing demand of accounting assistant. As previously mentioned, there are no guarantee that anyone will get a job once they have earned their degree. But it is worth working that the demand for accounting consistently rank high. Since accounting essentially entails managing money, it can be considered to be a major driving force for our economy. Every business needs at least one accounting professional to handle their finance. In some cases, large companies will employ accounting department with hundreds of employees at offices around the world. It is safe to assume that significant demand for accounting will continue 21st century and beyond.
Thank you for that briefly explanation.
I have a question for Miss Ain. What is the biggest challenge that this company is facing at the moment?
Okay, good question. So our biggest challenge right now, we are facing some problems with our financial system, and also our accounting officers do not have enough hand to do all the work at the same time, such as to provide financial information, prepare financial statements and reports. We also need to solve the problems that occur to our financial system quickly. So that's why we need an account assistant to work and team up with our accounting officers to solve all the problems, since that position is not occupied yet. Thank you.
Okay, now the interview session has finally come to the end. Thank you to all the interviewers for spending their time in today's interview session, as well as the candidate for taking part and doing a very good job in today's interview. We will contact you later by email if you're selected for this job as an account assistant. Don't forget to check your email after a few days. Thank you.